Let's pray that I just didn't waste my time to put all this in my hair. Hello, good peoples. Once again, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Doors Be Poppin'. As you can see in the first video, I am going to be putting straws in my hair today. I will be using good old Creme of Nature, the Mousse. I'll just call it the Mousse. Yes, this mousse is kind of soft, so I decided I'm going to use my favorite product. As you all know, it is Eco Styling Gel. I just want to put that in so my curls won't be too soft. I don't want it to be too soft and just don't last too long, so I needed that product just a little bit, guys, not a lot. Main product are the straws. I'm going to be using straws. There's 80 in the pack. I brought 2 just in case. Hopefully I will not run out. And bobby pins, 72 in the pack. I got 2 of those. I decided to go ahead and cut the straws in half because my hair is not that long, guys, as we all know, and half just works just perfect. Don't need those long things in my hair. So I'm trying to measure it out. I'm hoping that I don't put too many small pieces in my hair. I'm not trying to be here all day. And my hair is already washed and everything is actually damp. You can't notice it, but it is actually damp, and I've already put deep conditioning in my hair. So I went ahead, you just saw me put the mousse. Now I put a little, you saw how little it was, a little bit of gel, Eco Styling Gel in there, and put that in my strands. And the product of the day, I decided I'm going to twist it at the roots, so my roots won't be too bushy. And then I went ahead and wrapped it around the straw. I mean, I have seen some kind of straws, rollers that are these small, but I thought it'd be exciting to just go ahead and use straws. Plus, I did see another YouTuber, cannot think of her name. I think it's Jess, I can't think of her name. I will put it up. Who did this? Her hair is much longer than mine, much more volume than mine, and it came out so beautiful on her hair. So I said, let me try it out on my hair. It's not as long, but I like how her hair came out, so I decided to do it the same thing. As you can see, it's kind of hard to put those bobby pins in. Them holes are not that big, and you're looking at it from the mirror or your camera. So it took a little minute for me to adjust to putting in these straws and the bobby pins so the straws can stay in my hair. But after a while, it seems like I started getting the hang of it and cutting the ends and recycling it. I'm not trying to waste any straw, which is only $1. I got it at the dollar store. All the products besides the mousse and the Eco Styling, but the bobby pins and the straws came from the dollar store. All right, continue to watch. Guys, I actually saw a YouTuber named Ari and Ella who actually did it on a crochet, or was it a wig? She did it on that first, and I was like, wow, she had over 500 straws in her wig. And then I saw only Just Jess do it on her natural hair, and it came out beautiful. So now I'm doing it on my hair, which is short, but hopefully comes out nice too. Here's the finished product so far. Whew. So I have over 100 straws in my hair. I know that because it's 72 bobby pins, and I used this whole pack here, and I used about 25 out of here, or even more than that. I'm not sure if I took it from the bottom and the top. So I believe I have about, if not 100, close to 100 straws in my hair. I did cut them down. I didn't need them as long as I did. It took me over 2 hours to have this in my hair. Yes, 2 hours. Now, I don't want anybody to say, oh my gosh, she has too much time on her hands, because please, if you was to get braids in your hair, you'd be sitting down for 2 hours. And I'm sure almost every female that's old enough to go to the hair salon has sat in the hair salon for longer than 2 hours. So don't give me, oh, she has too much time on her hands, she did that for 2 hours. Because to do hair, it takes about 2 hours to get that hairstyle to look just the way you want it. All right? Okay. Anyway, so I'm about to go sit under the dryer. I will take this out tonight. I got places to be early in the morning. I don't want to be fiddling around with it. So I hope it comes out right because I did spend over 2 hours with this in my hair. I mean, over 2 hours to get this straws all in my hair. So you guys, we'll find out together in just a moment. Moment of truth. How did it come out? Let's see. Yay! Looks nice. I'm pleased. Let's continue. The curls do seem soft. It seems like the little bit of Eco Styling gel that I put in there didn't make much of a difference. It's still soft curls, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but so far I'm pleased with the pattern the curls came out. Straws all out. Thank God. It was very easy to take out the straws as y'all saw at the beginning. Less than 10 minutes to take them all out. But I like it. It's very cute. Look at that. Curls are soft, like I said. All right, moment of truth. So now I just decided to give it some life, give it some volume, and I'm separating each individual straws. It's not even straws. Curls. See that? Bounce back. Them curls are very tight, aren't they? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and separate the curls, give it more life, more volume, boom, get this hair popping. Yes, this is the next days, guys. I just decided, might as well make it look fresh early in the morning instead of sleeping on the curls. So this is the next day, early, bright in the morning, and I'm separating my curls. Okay, I'm liking it. I separated majority. I don't know how much of the curls, but it needs a little more volume, a little more body, and don't worry about that. I'm just going to pick at it and mess with it until I get it just the way I want it. I was just using my hand because I didn't want to mess up the curl pattern, and I wanted, the curls to stay in, but I had to pick out the pick, bring it out, and poof that hair up just the way I want it. Yes. I love it. It came out so good. Oh my goodness. I really love how it came out. It was worth the 2 hours. Not sure if I'm going to do it again, but it was worth the 2 hours that I spent to do this one. It came out really cute, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment at the bottom and let me know what you think of it. I like it. Go, Doris. Your hair is popping. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great one.